Thank you. Calling case 193390 SD, State of Michigan versus Lawrence Wells Cadell.
Yes, how you doing?
I'm good, sir.
That's good.
Your appearance, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Lawrence Wells Cadell.
Yes.
Your name for the record, sir.
Lawrence Wells Cadell.
This matter was scheduled for sentencing this morning. Mr. Batar, have you had an opportunity to review the report from probation?
I have, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you have any additions, corrections, or deletions on behalf of your client?
Not at this time, Your Honor. It's factually accurate.
Mr. Wells Cadell was originally charged with operating with a blood alcohol content of 0.17 or more and operating while intoxicated, driving while license suspended, revoked, or denied. He appeared on January 22nd, 2021 and entered a plea, impaired driving, was sent to probation where they did a report. And Mr. Wells Cadell, the recommendation from the probation department is that while you have a history of alcohol-related offenses, that you have since had an opportunity of confinement and some substance abuse treatment on unrelated matters from other courts, that the probation department does not believe that supervision is recommended at this time. What they've asked the court to do to defer future offenses is to assess you fines, costs, mandatory state costs, the victim's fund fee, and restitution to the city of Belleville. They have also of $150, as we discussed at the time of your plea. They've also recommended that you not be placed on probation of any kind. At this time,
Okay.
I will adopt the recommendation of probation. I will not assign you to any period of probation, but what I will do is assess a fine of $500,
Okay.
cost of $100, restitution to the city of Belleville in the amount of $150. There's $50 state cost, $20 fund fee. There is a failure to appear of $45, crimes victim fee of $75 for a total of $940.
Okay.
That shall be the sentence of the court.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. I believe that Mr. Wells Cadell will need some time to make that payment, if that's okay with the court.
That is acceptable. That was going to be my next question. Mr. Wells, if you're in a position to commit to a payment plan, I can put that on the file this morning. If you need to check your resources and establish a payment plan, have you contact or have our collections department contact you to set a payment plan. Are you able to commit to a payment plan this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
How much can you pay and when can you make your first payment?
I can go maybe like $20 or $50 a month, maybe something like that.
Is $50 per month a realistic payment amount?
Yes.
Beginning when?
I can have something next week, or yeah, maybe the week after. I don't know.
Let's say $50 on March 15th. Is that realistic?
Yes.
And then on the 15th of each month?
Okay.
Okay. And you're still on the International Drive address?
Yes.
Okay. Payment plan agreement letter will be sent to you at that address.
Okay.
Anything further, Mr. Batar?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Anything further, Mr. Wells?
No, ma'am.
We're all set. Thank you for your appearances this morning. Mr. Wells Cadell, wish you good luck.
You're welcome. Thank you too. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Everyone stay well. Have a good weekend.